Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video.
Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much.
I am whispering because my brother is in school at the moment. He's doing online school, so I'm trying to keep my voice down. Today is going to be a vlog, a day in the life in lockdown in Melbourne. It is currently Friday. Oh, there's a parcel.
Hello.
Hi. Thank you. She's mine. Just wiping down my parcel. Just in this time of COVID, you just gotta be careful. Just feel safer wiping the stuff down and then going about the day. Yeah. The girls' ministry are doing 21 days of prayer and fasting. It is now day 11. So obviously I have had the bread of life instead of the bread of carbs. So yeah, that's that. I've really been enjoying the 21 days. Our pastor has been sending us a audio every day, sometimes twice a day, where she will just encourage us and things like that. So I'm going to listen to that while I do my bed.
There is great things God is doing in our lives through this fasting, and sometimes during the fast you don't really see things happening. Sometimes things start to happen after we have finished our fast. But
this is for you guys who've been asking about my skincare routine. So I have just washed my face and it's got nothing on it. As you can see, it's already starting to dry up. So E45 cream for my moisturizer, and I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost as my sunscreen. And that's pretty much all I'm doing to my skin these days. Yeah, it is what it is. Still trying to figure out exactly what's causing that mild reaction. Not sure if it's the sunscreen or maybe something I'm eating, or I don't know. One day I'll hopefully love to go to a dermatologist and actually get my skin looked at and see what the best skincare routine for me is. But at the moment, we'll do the best that we can. Yeah, I changed. It's a bit chillier than I was expecting, so I put on a long sleeve, some jeans and some sneakers. Our checklist has become wallet, keys, phone and mask. Can't go anywhere without your mask. It's a fine.
Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh wow. Spring has sprung. I haven't been in my car in God knows how long. My goodness. The poor thing's probably like, Ma! It's been what, 3 weeks now? It feels so weird. Sometimes I feel like I still don't know how to drive. I'm using my phone now because I thought the second battery was charging, but apparently it wasn't. So all of them ran flat. Also, guys, for those of you who don't know, your sis graduated. I'm no longer on my P's. It's been a good, how many years? 4 years. 4 years? 4? 3. I think it's 3 or 4. Did I do my red P's? Yes. 4 years. It's been a good 4 years. Nah, that doesn't sound right. Have I been driving for 4 years? When did I get my license? Damn. Whoa, I feel old. Not old, but I feel like time has flown by. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Damn, okay. I guess it's right. Anyway, not a long. I'm a full licensed driver now, so we're going to check. Let me explain for those of you who don't know. I know some of you may be a bit confused and some of you may not understand exactly what's happening. So in Victoria, we are currently in stage 4 lockdown, which means that because our cases went up, spiked, we had a second round of COVID. So we went into stage 4, which pretty much means that we have a curfew, 8 p.m. curfew. Also, we have to stay within 5 kilometers of our house unless you're going to apparently visit your intimate partner or going to work, and there are checkpoints. So there'll be police in certain areas checking where you're going and what you're doing and why you're far from home or why you're leaving the house past the curfew. Masks are mandatory now. There is a $200 fine if you are not wearing your mask when you're outside. It's been like this for the past 6 weeks. As of the 13th, we're going to hit the 6-week mark, but it's been extended. Hallelujah. So let's go in and find my pens, guys. And anything else that I will pick up.
Hi guys, so the reason why I went to the shops to go buy some pens is that there is a certain type of pen that I like to write with. So they're Papermate Ink Joy, because when I write joint with these type of pens. The ink flows with your writing, so as you write it puts less strain on your hands as you write. I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the essay. I really enjoyed writing this. Oh, it's 4 p.m. So now I'm going to take some time to pray. I'm listening to alpha waves. Alpha waves are really, really good for the brain. They're really good to help you think and to be in a meditative state and stuff like that. So I'm going to turn my alpha waves off, get into some prayer so that I can get pray and just break my fast. Hey guys, it's a few hours later. Last time I was eating, so I ate, and then I did some prep work for my mum for dinner, and I joined prayer. Now I am in the service, the Friday service. So there's praise and worship at the moment, or worship, then we're gonna have the service.
Who could see things by the Spirit? What happened? The gift worked.
just finished the service. I finished my hair. I've parted my hair in a strategic way for tomorrow's video. I'm hoping to be able to film 2 videos tomorrow, by the grace of God, and also edit this one over the weekend. And also now I think I'm going to do another essay, and then I'll go have dinner and relax after that. Hallelujah. My eyes are really sore, maybe because of looking into my screen. I'm thinking of actually getting blue light glasses or a blue light screen protector for my laptop, because my eyes these days, they've been sore inside. If you're a uni student and you've ever done an assignment really late, that feeling inside your eyes, that's the feeling that I have.
Project you sent to me, I forget. My bad.
Yeah.
Girls screenshot their fights and send it to their friends to form responses. Really curious.
Good night. I'm bald. Yeah, my hair's like this. I'm looking bald. Now that I come to think of it, if I ever wanted to shave my head, maybe I have the head shape for it. You tell me. I'm in the process of filming. I filmed one portion of the video, so now I'm gonna go and film the other portion. I had to put the hair in front of the fireplace so that it could dry quicker, because I don't have time, honestly. I was pretty much in a meeting the entire day from 1 until 4 p.m. Then I went and ate, and now. I'm going to finish filming that video, and then I'm going to do some content images for that as well, and then I'll be done for the day. That's pretty much my Saturday for today. It's not that great. Yes, it's a wig, sis. Yes, it's a wig with a headband attached. Just watch the video to come, okay? Just watch it. Just watch. Alright guys, that's all from me today. I'm exhausted. It's like, what? 8 p.m. I'm gonna wind down, take my makeup off, have dinner and relax. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog. If you guys want me to do more vlogs, produce more lockdown content, let me know in the comments section. Let me know if you have any other ideas of stuff that you would like me to post. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of the above. Mwah, mwah.